Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Mum&Genny YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe and share and like. Today, I want you guys to come along with me for shopping. Shopping, guys. And guys, we are here. I'm going to just pick fruits that I want. I think I'm going to buy. guys, this is the end of the shopping, guys. We are through and now we are just going to arrange it inside the car. So you can see I bought things for the school because our school needed some type of things, so that's what I bought. And you know, those are for the children's, like money. My children don't play with money food like breakfast, so that is what is most important for them. Like afternoon food like lunch is they don't usually have time for that, but for morning food like breakfast they don't play with it. So I make sure I satisfy them with their breakfast food like cereal, like biscuits, milk. Like my children do take different type of milk. Like the eldest one is allergic to normal milk, so she take milk that don't contain lactose. Now I'm going to keep this. Okay, I collected my as you can see, it's not easy, but now I